When you sit in a restaurant and it feels cozy and it feels warm and the lighting is right, the sound is really the thing. Clinking of glasses, the excited talking, people enjoying themselves, you can hear it. It makes me happy every time I hear that sound. My name's Aaron Barnett. I am chef and owner of Restaurant St. Jack on Clinton. I grew up eating a lot of French food. My family they're all kind of amazing cooks. My dad still makes a better sauce than I do, which frankly makes me mad. This is sort of bringing it back to what I grew up with. You know, these are the flavors of home. Eating snails. I thought that was cool when I was a kid. I think that was like my playing in mud puddles. The dish that we have on the menu here, our frog leg dish, is exactly what I grew up eating. Food here is honest. We serve a lot of weird stuff. We serve feet. We serve heart. You know, we're not doing it as a gimmick. We're doing it because it's good. You might not think you like tripe, but you know, give it a shot. You might. I have a lot of interaction with the customers, and it's nice because I can actually kind of talk them into trying things that maybe they wouldn't have tried before. We also have steak frites and we have trout. Things for everyone, but it's remarkable to see how quickly we sell stuffed pig's trotters. That's a big, huge pig's foot stuffed with sweetbreads, which is a thymus gland, and mushrooms, and all kinds of other stuff. People who will come in and they develop a trust with you. Primary focus was to have this be a neighborhood restaurant. It's a cool old space, late 1800s building. It's janky, it's got problems, you know, it's old. We didn't put these beams in because they look cool. They are actually holding up the upstairs. I think people just feel comfy here, and that's all I want.